Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to Ranbir Kapoor. I've never reacted to him on my channel, so I was like, why not? This video popped up, so I was like, I'm gonna watch it because Ranbir is a very talented actor and a very talented dancer as well. And I've seen this movie before, Bashna-e Hasino, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry if it's not. And I believe this was a movie with Deepika, and he was like a ladies' man or something, but then he fell in love with her. Anyways, this is one of my favorite songs from the movie. I haven't seen it in years, so I'm gonna check it out. Because why the hell not? Let's see if I remember any of it. No subtitles.
सुनो एक थी प्यार की पुड़िया सदके उस प्यार के
I do remember still.
एक था पिंड दा शेरा आया कस के बांध वो सहरा सदके उस यार के
Oh, the music.
सुनो एक थी कांच की गुड़िया सुनो एक थी प्यार की पुड़िया सदके उस प्यार के सुनो एक था पिंड दा शेरा आया कस के बांध वो सहरा सदके उस यार के सजी थी डोली वो चढ़ा था घोड़ी वो खोया जाने कहा इन्ना सोना प्यार बलिए जोगी माही रांझना सब नो जाके मैं ये बोलना बात बोल के खोलना जोगी माहिर रांझना सब तू जाके मैं ये बोलना.
Oh my god, this is so freaking nostalgic, and this right here is why I fell in love with Bollywood in the first place. Like this, the joy, the energy, the colors, the love, the I don't know, the dancing, the talent, it's just, I'm still standing by what I said before. Old Bollywood did it best. I'm sorry, I know some of the newer movies are still amazing, but this has a special place in my heart. Aw, the twins. And the music, listen to that. Epic. Sorry.
दिल थामे हुए वो था खड़ा चुपके से यूं दूर बैठे हुए उम्र गैया जाने ना तू दीवाने नदी जवानी के हर गम तू भुला दे.
Oh, I love that move.
सदाए के दिल से तू बुला ले. ओ छत दे बेसित खून छचे उत्ते आजा खून दिल टूटा जादा सुन प्यार खुलिया जोगी मारी रांझना सब नू जाके मैं ये बोलना बात बोल के राज खोलना जोगी मारी रांझना सब नू जाके मैं ये बोलना बात बोल के राज खोलना.
Who's like the vocals. Oh my god, I love her sari. Beautiful. Oh my god, I love that. He's so light on his beat. He's an amazing dancer. That song, oh my god, one of his best performances. That it was also a movie with Deepika, but I don't know the name of the movie, but I think the song is Batamize Dil, something like that. That song was, that's jam. That song was epic, and he killed the moves, and he's killing it here as well.
सुनो एक थी प्यार की गुड़िया सदके उस प्यार के सुनो एक था पिंड दा शेरा आया कस के बांध वो सहरा सदके उस यार के सजी थी डोरी वो चढ़ा था घोड़ी वो खोया जाने कहा है न सोना प्यार बलिए जोगी मारी राजना सब जाके मैं ये बोलना बात बोल के राज खोलना.
I'm trying to dance like them, but he's very charming. Aww. The kid. So cute, such a cute family. This video was so much fun. It was so much fun. Again, bringing me memories back, and I loved it. I loved every minute of it. Again, I want to do more Ranbir reactions because I haven't seen much of his stuff. If you guys have any requests or suggestions, leave them in the comments down below, and like the video and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to have an amazing day.